Hello everyone. How are you? I hope you're well and healthy. Today, we'll discuss in 10 sentences why ignorance of the law is no excuse, and why it's important for everyone. 1. Ignorance of the law is no excuse, meaning you can be held liable for breaking a rule, even if you genuinely weren't aware it existed. 2. The court emphasized that ignorance of the law is no excuse when sentencing the individual for the unpermitted construction work. 3. You should have checked local regulations beforehand. Ignorance of the law is no excuse for violating zoning ordinances. 4. Ignorance of the law is no excuse. So claiming you didn't know speeding in a school zone carried double fines won't help you avoid the penalty. 5. Tax authorities strictly enforce the principle that ignorance of the law is no excuse for failing to report foreign income. 6. Businesses must comply with all relevant regulations. Ignorance of the law is no excuse for violating safety standards. 7. Copyright infringement can have serious consequences. And ignorance of the law is no excuse for using protected material without permission. 8. The judge dismissed the defendant's claim of misunderstanding the statute, firmly stating ignorance of the law is no excuse. 9. Before undertaking a major renovation, research the permits required. Ignorance of the law is no excuse if you proceed without them. 10. Rooted in Roman law, the maxim ignorance of the law is no excuse remains a fundamental principle of modern legal systems worldwide. Thank you.
सबको नमस्कार। आप कैसे हैं? मुझे आशा है कि आप स्वस्थ और अच्छे होंगे। आज हम 10 वाक्यों में चर्चा करेंगे कि कानून की अज्ञानता कोई बहाना नहीं है और यह सभी के लिए क्यों महत्वपूर्ण है। 1. कानून की अज्ञानता कोई बहाना नहीं है, जिसका अर्थ है कि आप किसी नियम को तोड़ने के लिए उत्तरदायी हो सकते हैं, भले ही आपको वास्तव में पता न हो कि यह मौजूद है। 2. न्यायालय ने इस बात पर जोर दिया कि बिना अनुमति के निर्माण कार्य के लिए व्यक्ति को सजा सुनाते समय कानून की अज्ञानता कोई बहाना नहीं है। 3. आपको पहले से स्थानीय नियमों की जांच कर लेनी चाहिए थी। कानून